Hey exclusive baddies, this is BP Exclusive, and today's video we are going to be doing our nails. Well, I'm gonna be doing my nails. So there is this kit that I found at Dollar General. It's $12 or is it $8? I think $12 at like a beauty supply and then $8 at Dollar General. So yeah, I got a nail kit. I already opened it up, but I'm gonna show you everything that it comes with. So it comes with the powder, of course, and then it comes with an activator and brush on gel. That's like basically like the hardener for the powder. And then it comes with this little kit here, this little thingy that you're gonna just dip your finger in the powder. So yeah, we're gonna try that. And what else you'll need nail files and nail clipper and glue, and of course the press-on. It does come with press-ons, but they're ugly. They're like white and they're fat. These are the nails that I got. I got them from the dollar, not the nail shop, the beauty supply. They were like $2, I think, for a pack. I've already done my nails before, but I still have leftovers. Hopefully these are all the right sizes, or I'm gonna have to cut them down to the size of my nail. And of course the glue to glue on the tips. So if you guys are not following me on my socials, please make sure that you do. I'll have them linked down at the bottom. I'll have them on the screen. We'll see how this goes. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, bare nails. I'm gonna file them down a little bit. First of all, I'm gonna clip them because they're kinda big.
Cock that motherfucker back.
It has like numbers. You probably can't see that. That's a 0, so I'm gonna use that for the thumb. See if I find another 0.
Cock that motherfucker
I like to have everything like together. It makes it easier for me. That's the thumb. Okay, so some people are gonna shape them down smaller, but I think I want them this long. So hopefully this will make sure everything fits.
Make your pockets hurt. Make your pockets hurt.
Let's do this. Just pour this stuff. This. So now we take this stuff here and open it. And what some people do, I don't really do, they like shape these down. I mean, I guess I could. I don't usually do this. Like shape it down so it's flat. Okay. No, literally, you just paint it like you're painting your nails. And then you dip your nail in there. If you don't put enough power, you're probably gonna have to do this. It's usually for like, yeah. So just do this. I'm gonna do this a whole bunch of times, like 3. I usually do like 3 times. So just sit in there. You don't even have to sit in there that long. Like a minute works. Tap off the excess. Don't wipe it off yet. You want to let it harden up so you just move on to the next nail. And do the same thing. Little thingy, but I don't know where that's at. So wipe off the extra and then do another layer. I usually do 3 layers, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now that you did all the powder, this is like literally so messy. This still has powder on it because I didn't wipe off the excess yet. Now like the last, well, not the last step, like the third step is this stuff. It's activator. It hardens the nail. And I put like a bunch of coats of these on here. And you have to let the nails dry. It kind of, and use a lot. You can use a lot of this stuff. Oh, the way this stuff smells so much. And just put this stuff on here, the activator. And then you start shaping your nails how you want them. I'm going to shape them. I have some scissors. I'm literally just cutting off the corners because these are not coffin. Okay. Eek. It's flying in my face. Looking a little bit better. Let's shape these mugs. long. This is for all the other nails. I shaped them the best that I could with the broken things that I have. I'm gonna have to go to the store tomorrow because I'm not doing this right now and shape them a little better. But these are the nails. I'm gonna paint them. I actually think I just want to do like money signs on all of them, and like light pink and green money sign on all of them, I think. But yeah, this is the best I could do low-key with the shading, with the shaping. And like I really need to do like around here, like you see like some of these are like really messed up around. These things are so trash. I thought I had a whole bunch of them before I started filming, and I did not. Well, okay, I think they were my sister's, so she took them, which I don't know why she don't want to use them. Yeah, it's bothering me that they're not, that they look like this, so. I like the shape of them, kinda, but like all of this right here, like I need to like go and shape them. Like, clean up the like edge part of them. But these are the nails. I would have painted them, but I feel like they need to be shaped a little better before I paint them. But I just want to end the video because I am tired. I'm exhausted. I gotta work tomorrow, so, and my head is hurting. I can't wait to take this ponytail out. Like, this ponytail is freaking like, I don't know, but it's making my hair hurt so bad. But thank you everyone for watching this short little tutorial of me doing my nails. Well, not too close because they need to be shaped a little better and then painted. But I don't know if I want to paint them. I kind of like them like this with some rings. I got some little mid rings I can wear, and then with the little money signs. Maybe I should just put the money signs on this finger, like little money signs, and then just paint the rest of the nails pink. Because that's the only color I paint my nails. I don't paint my nails any other color because pink is my fave and I like how it looks on my fingers. But without further ado, see you guys in the next video. Bye.